नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे द स्मॉल कैप स्टॉक जम्प्स ओवर 30% एज द फर्म गेट्स 250 करोड़ इंसेंटिव फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र govt all you need to know. The firm will also receive an exception from electricity duty and a 100% waiver of stamp duty for 7 years from January 1, 2024 to December 31, 2030. Balaji Amin shares rallied in 13.2% to touch an intraday high of 1,212.5 on Thursday, January 18. After the specialist chemical making firm received a 258 crore incentive from the Maharashtra government for unit expansion. This is to inform you that the Director of our industry, Government of Maharashtra, has issues on eligibility certificate date on 2nd January 2026 received on 7th January 2026 for expansion of the unit under mega project investment based 100% gross basics under the package scheme of incentive 2013. The scheme Balaji Amin said in a regulatory filings. The companies further said that it is eligible for incentive under the Industrial Promotion Subsidy IPS, including a subsidy of 258.01 crore, equivalent to the 58% of the SC GST payable on the scale of eligibility fines the product of Maharashtra. It will also receive an expansion from electricity duty and 100% waiver of stamp duty for 7 years from January 1, 2024 to December 31, 2030 as per the relief and government notification. Set up in 1988, Balaji Amins Limited Well is one of the leading manufacturers of the allopathic amines in India, catering to the growing requirement of value-based specialty chemical well and commenced manufacture of methylenes in the year 1989 and subsequently added facilities for the manufacture of the anthyllenes and other derivatives of the monthly lemons and the anthyllemens. Balaji M share price at 10:35 a.m. Balaji Amin shares were the trading at 1,206 rupees on the National Stock Exchange, soaring in 12.66%. In a month, share of the firm have gained nearly 10%, while for 6 months' time, they have tumbled nearly 37% on a year-on-year basis. Balaji Amin shares have slumped almost 31%. According to NSC, the company has a market capitalization of 3,901.73 crore. Shares of Balaji Amis and the touch their 1 year high of 1,980 rupees on January 9, 2025, while their 52-week low of 1,065.6 was hit on January 6, 2026.